Hello, class. Good news and bad news. Bad news first. Summer's almost over. I know. Which leads me to the good news. Semester's getting ready to start. So I'm super excited. I hope you're excited too. Maybe a little bit nervous. I also get a little bit nervous, which is totally fine. Anyway, I'm your professor, Laura Lozano. I will be your collision repair instructor this semester. Really excited to have you join us. I look forward to our hybrid learning format, which is 50% online, 50% on campus. I have shared the class schedule chart down below. I will be getting into a little bit more detail as to what hybrid is, how that's going to work for us. We are an automotive program, and I have had folks ask, well, how can you teach automotive online? The reality is that they complement each other super well. The hybrid learning format really allows us to use our lab and shop time a lot more efficiently because there's smaller groups. You get the best of my attention throughout the labs and the shop and the repair time. And the online portion allows us to connect in different ways. So I'm super excited about presenting this class in this semester to you all in this way. Like I mentioned, share the class schedule chart down below. I've also shared the syllabus for you to review before our first on-campus meeting, which will be on orientation. And your on-campus orientation information is also down below, so check that out. One thing I'm looking forward to this semester. Wow, one thing only. No, it's probably about 100, but not just teaching you about collision repair. That is like one of my, sorry, that is one of my favorite things in life. In all honesty, coming to the college, meeting the students, teaching the collision repair process has been my passion since I stepped foot into a shop about 13, 14 years ago, and sharing that with you really just makes my life like amazing. So welcome to our program. Excited, super excited to have you. I would like for you to know and like to let you know that starting now, not first day of class, not when school starts, starting now, I am here for you. The length of the semester. If you have any questions, feel free to respond to this email. I'll be happy and I'll get back to you as soon as I can and answer any questions you might have from now until we meet. During the orientation, I will be sharing with you all in more detail what our communication will look like throughout the semester, whether it's online or on campus. I will be there for you on both modalities. And yeah, I look forward to meeting you all. I took a peek at my roster this morning and noticed that there are a number of returning students, which is great. Welcome back, folks, and a good number of new students. So can't wait to meet you, learn more about you, learn more about what brought you to the collision repair program. Right off the bat, I think what we can all agree on and connect with is that we just like working on cars, right? Whether something as simple as detailing our own car or changing our own brakes or our own oil, to having collision repair as a career. Super excited to share more about really what my passion is and what brought me to teaching, and would love to hear what brought you into the collision repair program and what your plans are. Contra Costa College has an infinite number of resources to help you all through your education journey, whether it's simply to complete one class or complete a whole program, degree, transfer, whatever it is you have in mind. I dare to promise you that Contra Costa can help you get through. So I do want to plant that seed again and mention one more time that I'm here for you. Contra Costa College is here for you. If you have absolutely any questions, I can't say I'll have all the answers, but I can steer you in the right direction. I'm happy to do that. So best wishes to you all this semester in all your classes. Life too. Life can get a little funny during school, right, too. But we'll get through it. You've got this. I will see you during orientation. Sorry. And yeah, can't wait. Check out the schedules below. If you have any questions, like I said, please reach out. Happy to answer those. And I'll see you later. Take care. Peace.